everyone, it's Natalie with Thistles and Coos, and today I wanted to kind of give two things, a product review and a tip for when I travel. And go ahead and click that notification bell to subscribe, because we will be uploading videos a few times a week with tips and travel, how to things that would help you learn different kinds of travel hacks. So just kind of, take a look at that. So today, I wanted to show you what I do when I travel, because I have very short hair. So many, and these are also products I use every day. So I will show you in just a second, but kind of give a little background information. When I travel or every day I shower, because I have, the short hair and it's oily. So I can't do the every other day not showering. It's every day shower. So a few products that I use every day, plus while traveling, is my hair, as I've become older, has become thinner. So I just use any kind of help I can. This fiber, it doesn't make your hair stiff, but it will hold it in place. And the last thing it's like back in the 70s, the Aqua Net, the women would have big hair and they'd spray. It's like, it's the, football helmet. Not going to move. That I don't use too much I like it to move a little. So one thing that I want to add, and this is one thing that I've learned while social distancing quarantine during this time, is one day I didn't realize I had to go, really it was an appointment here, but I looked at the time and I was like, I didn't shower, what am I gonna do? So I'm like looking through cabinets, what can I use on my hair? Not a hat, but I found the baby powder. I was like, I literally, because I have the worst bedhead in the morning. My hair's like, it's crazy. So I use that and it just absorbed all the oil. So all these products are perfect if you're traveling and you don't have time to shower. You're just kind of, keep on moving. So you can go kind of freshen up in the airport or wherever you're going. So how I use my products, I'll show you. First, everything that I travel with, if you're flying, is the 3-ounce containers. This is just at home. So spray. And then I just kind of brush it in. And when I do my hair, I brush it towards the center and just kind of work it in for a second. Next thing, the American Crew Fiber. I need to be buying some more. And I use, because, short hair, I use about that much. And what I'll do after I put this in, and I put it on the tops, not necessarily the sides, but I'll brush it and then I let it set I like to let it set for about 30 minutes. You don't have to, you can dry your hair right away, but you can even feel it getting thicker even now. So I'm gonna let that set and I'll come back in about 30 minutes. I forgot to sign, it's under the fingernail. I'm gonna let it set 30 minutes. You don't have to. I'm just kind of brush this into place. And honestly, if you're flying, I can see that on the side. If you're flying and you're going to be landing soon, you can go into the bathroom and just use the powder and just kind of, and you're good to go the rest of the day. And I got me some fiber. So I'm going to let that set. I'll be back. And I'm going to go, ahead and dry my hair, and then I'll be back after that's done. Hold on. Okay, so I've just dried my hair, and you can kind of just work it in even more. That is literally all I do with my hair. Oh, I got a little ducktail going on up there or something. I just kind of go through. But anyway, so imagine the next day after you've flown or you've traveled, no time to shower. Just use a little bit of the baby powder in your hands here and just kind of work it in the back, or whatever you need. It really adds like this thick, coarse feel, but it's not like weird or heavy, because I don't use conditioner on my hair because of the oil. But really, that's also when you're traveling, kind of reiterate again, 3 products. You can use any of your products, but really the one hack that I love is now baby powder. And I didn't even know that really, I know baby powder, but I never used it until the quarantine. And I was like, oh, last minute, I need something. So that's what I used. And, but really, I just kind of put the thickening spray in like a 3-ounce container. I use this, and I bought, when I was traveling, I bought this in the store because I was going to be there for 3 weeks. So I had like a smaller thing, but this is amazing. So that's it for the travel hack today. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. We'll be uploading every Tuesday, Friday for more travel tips, experiences, inspiration, both. So enjoy, and thank you for watching. Bye.